Hello friends, you are welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. Thank you so much. Today I'll be making a recipe how you can treat intestinal worm parasites and infection. How you can treat intestinal worm parasites and infection with all these ingredients with me. Here is garlic. I'm going to use garlic. Garlic is a natural antibiotic and is good in treating worm. Then we have ginger. We'll be using ginger. I'm going to make two recipes, different two recipes in treating intestinal worm and infection. So stay tuned as I prepare it. So the first and foremost, I'm going to peel off the garlic. I'm going to peel off the garlic. Peel off the garlic. Let's peel off the skin. We're gonna wash it again. Ready, wash. Then this ginger, we'll be using little. Using little ginger. Ginger is an anti-inflammatory. It's good in treating an infection, and it's also good for intestinal worm. See, you get it like this. This ginger has been in the fridge, so it's very soft. Put it there. So what we're going to do now, for the first part of the treatment, use this for the first part of the treatment. We're going to use this mortar and the pestle to crush the garlic very well. Crush the garlic very well so that when you are taking it, you will not feel it. Crush it. So after crushing it, get it out. So either you take this first part in the morning Then the second one, you can take it in the evening, or you take this in the morning and take the other one in the evening. I will show you how we are going to take it. This you are going to just smash it little. You will not crush it very well, just for the juice to come out little. You will not crush it very well. Then you bring it out. It will be like this. You will not crush it very well. It will be like this. And this is the ginger. So you get hot water. Hot water. You put it inside the cup. So first thing in the morning, you add hot water. Put hot water in it. This hot water, the ginger and the garlic in it. You can leave it for 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. You can leave it 10 to 15 minutes. Then you add honey to it. Add 1 tablespoon of honey to it. You take this first thing in the morning. Hot water, ginger and garlic with honey. Hot water, ginger, garlic. You take this first thing in the morning. Then before you go to bed, you take this. This quantity is okay. You take this like this. Then you add honey to it. That is last thing before you go to bed. You take this. You put your honey on it like this. Yeah. You take it. It will treat intestinal worm. Then in the morning, you take this. First thing in the morning. Then when you're going to bed, you take this. Thank you. If you think you have intestinal worm, you can check out for your doctor. Call your doctor and explain the situation to your doctor, and tell your doctor about this natural remedy. I'm not a health personnel. I'm not a doctor, but out of research and experience, all the natural treatments in my channel is out of research and experiment. I'm not a health personnel. So anytime you are sick, you call your doctor, and any natural treatment you want to take, you let your doctor to know. Anyone that is on blood thinning drugs, on high blood pressure medication, don't take ginger. Ginger can thin your blood, so it's not good for anyone that is on blood pressure medication. So tell your doctor before incorporating ginger and garlic into your diet, especially garlic. You tell your doctor before you incorporate it into your diet. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.